Hey guys, Double GGHS Cheez-It Man here with my friend
Mason Griffin. We're back at it again. We're gonna clean. I can't even say
God damn it. What's planned?
We're gonna prank our friends. That's what's gonna happen. So before this gets a little too out of hand, we're gonna clean the house for them, and they have no idea. No idea. They're out of time. They're not even here. You know what I mean?
Last night we threw a party. Such a mess in here. So
literally probably the messiest thing
absolutely demolished.
Would I live here?
No! Get wrecked! Oh my god! What the hell?
They're gonna get so pranked.
Dude, they're literally not gonna see this shit coming.
Just look at it all. Look, everything. Look.
Oh my god. All of it's gonna be clean. Step one to getting trash. Get the shit. Open the door. Holy shit, dude, the trash needs to be taken out too. Look at it. Dude, we gotta take that shit out right now. Oh shit. Hey, dude,
Stinks so bad.
let's do it. Let's fucking do it.
It smells literally terrible.
Are you guys ready for this shit? We're gonna take the fucking trash out. One of the things about cleaning, sometimes you have to pour out old shit. Like, what the fuck, dude? So what are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm gonna wash all these dishes. I'm trying not to laugh. All these dishes are gonna be spotless and literally put up wherever they go. They're gonna be probably in the cabinets, dude.
Oh my god.
Like,
dude,
literally.
Look at these limes. Look at the lime! Guys, look at this shit. Come here, seriously. Who the fuck puts a fucking Phillips tip screwdriver in that?
No earthly idea what this is, but I'm gonna put it in a cabinet.
Oh, hey, Mason.
What?
Do you want some grapes?
Yeah.
They actually freeze our grapes. It's really good. What the fuck is that baby doing in there? Holy shit!
There's a baby in the freezer.
What the fuck? Holy shit!
God.
Holy shit!
God, Mason, let's go ahead and get started on this living room, brother. Mason? Mace! Mace! Mace, you good? What's going on? Mason! Oh my god! Mason, stop! Mason!